What is up, guys? Your boy TSL here, back with a brand new SPTS video. In today's video we will be adding a agility / speed stat to our superpower training simulator like game. Now if you don't remember last video, we made a overhead GOI / billboard GOI that shows everybody our rank, or our class. So basically the way we're gonna do this is like the agility power is we're going to track every time the player moves or jumps. So the way we're gonna do this is with a script, obviously. Alright, so basically what we're gonna do is start off in our starter player script, starter character script, and add a script. And in this script, or first of all, we will want to rename this script to, how about something like agility stat script, something like that along those lines. And we'll do local char is equal to script dot parent. We'll do local humanoid is equal to char dot humanoid, and I guess we'll need our player, so we'll do game dot players colon get player from character, and we'll use our character. And that's all we're gonna do for now. So for now, all we really want to do is we'll just put this in a while wait, how about 0.5 seconds do, and we just want to see if we can check if the player is moving. So we'll do if humanoid dot move direction dot magnitude is greater than 0, then print moving, and then else we will print not moving. So real quick, let me just zoom in to this script a little. Whoops, didn't mean to click that. There. So it'll be a little easier for you guys to see. Alright, so if move direction dot magnitude is greater than 0, then print moving, else don't print moving, print not moving. Alright, so let's just check if this is working. Alright, so it's not moving, and now that we're moving, it is moving. So now that that's working, what we're going to want to do is now check if the player is jumping. So basically, and the easy way to do this, and the way we're going to do this, is over here. We'll do if humanoid dot move, here, not move direction dot jump is equal to true, or here, is equal to true, or if humanoid dot jump then should just work, and we'll print jumping, and we'll do else print not jumping. Alright, so this is just some simple tests so that you guys can see how this works. So I'll explain it more in just a second once we see it's not jumping. Alright, so it says we're jumping, but obviously it'll need to be less than 0.5 seconds, but we don't want to flood our output too much. So basically, inside of our humanoid, we have a property called move direction, and in the move direction it has all the directions. Here, if I was actually can't. Here, I have this random player, which is my friend. I don't remember why I have him in here as a model. But if you go in his humanoid, you can see that down here there's a move direction. You can't change this like manually over here. And basically it has its X, Y, and Z place. And that's basically the direction it's moving in. So we can't see it here, but it has a property called magnitude. And if the player is moving in any direction, then it will be like a number that's not 0. But if they're not moving at all, then it will be 0. So that's why we check if it's greater than 0. And if it is, that means we're moving. Alright, so now what we really want to do is make this like a 0.01. And we want to do an and humanoid.jump. And then we can delete all this code, and we can delete all this code. So basically, yeah. So now what we're gonna do is go into our server script service and leader stats. And where should we put it? Here, we'll just copy our strength, I guess. Copy it and paste it right here. We'll have a local agility and number value. Yeah, we'll do agility and agility. Nice, so let's just make sure we save this. Let me just clear my output real quick. Alright, so that's all we need for the leader stats script. Yeah, that's all we need for the leader stats script. So if this into that, then basically all we're going to want to do is, let's make a variable for our agility. Do local agility. Agility is equal to player colon wait for child agility, and then we'll do agility dot value plus equals. Alright, so this we actually have to go back into our leader stats, and we will have to copy p multi. We'll paste it here. We'll change it to a multi, and a multi. And yeah, we'll copy p zone multi, and we'll replace it with a zone mult, and a zone multi. Alright, so now that's actually it for our leader stats. So now we can come here, and don't mind the error for now, that's just because we didn't finish this. So if you have OCD, then just put a 0 there for now. So we'll do local agility multi is equal to player colon wait for child, and basically not a colon, we want to find the a multi, and then we can just copy this. We'll just rename this to zone multi, and a zone multi. So then we want to add 1 multiplied by, this should be a zone. So 1 multiplied by the agility multi multiplied by the a zone multi. Yeah. So actually what we'll do, we'll just make a variable called local final multi, and this will just be equal to agility multi plus a zone multi, and then we'll just we'll do agility.value is equal to 1 times final multi. Alright, so there we go. This should hopefully work. Yeah, so this should, actually we should not do this. Here, we can just do times. Hold on, let's just revisit how we did this before. So our, where is that, like, add stat script? No, that's like set, add psychic script. So what we will do is just do this 1 times agility multi times a zone multi. But then what we also have to do, I forgot about this, we have to just do this, copy this stuff from our add psychic script. Here we can do that up here, or actually instead of doing this every time this loop runs, we'll just do it up here. And then we will have to put this if statement in this loop every time. Keep checking. Alright, so basically then here we will have to multiply this by class mult. There. Alright, so now it should be working, or it shouldn't be working because we need dot value. Alright, so now it should be working, hopefully. So let's just play this and it will hopefully work. So we have no way to really see our agility other than here. So if we walk around, then it is not working for some reason. But if we jump and move, because we did a mistake, this shouldn't be and, it should be or. Alright guys, so now it will work, just a simple little mistake. So basically it was just checking if we're jumping and moving at the same time, but we want it to be if we're either moving or jumping. So right now it says 0, start walking, it goes up quite fast actually because of the little, like, no wait. So it shouldn't be this, we should have a 1 second cooldown. And right, is that what we have for our other scripts? Let's just check this. Yeah, we have a wait 1. So yeah, so we can close this now, and it should be good now. Perfect, hopefully. And then we'll just add it to our GUI, and that will be it for this video. So yeah, now it's good, and we'll just add our GUI in the multi. So basically, if we go into start GUI and player stats, we'll just make this frame visible to true, and we will then have over here, well actually we should probably make this frame a little bigger, and then all these, or not these, but this frame a little smaller. or actually the same size as it was, but then just make all of these things smaller. Yeah, like that. Alright, so then we will get our physical or psychic, whatever, our PSP, show PSP multi, and our show PSP, and our, yeah, we'll just do that for now. We'll duplicate it, we'll drag it down here. We'll fix this in a second. Let's just rename this to, rename it to, this will be agility, and then we'll just grab this first one, which is this, and we'll do show agility, and this one will be show agility multi. And then of course we should change the color. This color should, well, actually not the color of these, the color of the round versions. And how about we make this blue, like that. And just so we don't get confused, this will not say psychic, this will say agility. Alright, so we're almost done here. So if we just go here, duplicate this, drag it down here. So actually what I want to do is, you see this rep, I want to copy that color and put it for these. So let's just copy this color here, and then we'll go to our show agility multi, and this button, this should be open upgrade agility frame, and this will have the roundified versions background color as this, and so will these, and this one as well. Alright, so that's good for that, except for this, we need to change the script, so this will be agility, and agility. Save that. Also, this is in the show agility local script, and then in show agility multi, we'll just do your current multiplier is a multi. It's just a multi. Alright, so then the last thing we want to do is duplicate upgrade PSP frame, rename it to how about upgrade agility frame, and in the confirm, because we don't have to do anything in cancel, so in the confirm, we just have to change this, all these P multi, so we'll do Control F, and then we'll do P multi. We'll replace all of those with an A multi, replace all, and I think that's good. What's the event? Add or subtract coins, yeah, that's good. Alright, so that is good. So I do see one big problem with the way we're making these multis right now. So what we will do is, I think we can use this add stat script. Yeah, we can do add stat script. So we can do local set multi is equal to game.replicated storage stat set or add stat, and we'll do set multi colon fire server, and we want to fire, what should we do? The stat, so that should be this 2, and then set, right? yeah, so that's what we need to do. And then we'll copy this, paste it here, and this one will be 4. And then paste it here, and this one will be 8. So if you don't know why we're doing this, this is so that this will like happen for everyone, so it's on the server side now instead of locally. So we do have to do this for all of them, so we will copy this event and we will go into all these frames, but first let's go into the desk for here, and let's just change this to A and A. Alright, so there we go. That's it for this frame. So now if we go into the other upgrade frames, confirm button, we'll have this, and let's just keep this confirm button's local script open so that we can keep copying the stuff. But for now, or actually yeah, so then we'll copy this and we'll paste it right here and right here. We'll cut this, paste it here, and paste it here, and this should be 4. Alright, so then what we have to do is close this script, or save, close this script, close the strength frame, go to PSP frame now, local script, and we can copy this, paste it, and then we will copy this and we will paste it, and paste it, delete, change this to P, change this to P, change this to P, delete, and delete. Alright, so if we save this, and this actually has to be 4, 8. Save. Alright, so last frame we have to do is the endurance frame, and yours might have been in a different order than mine, but that's just for my order. So we'll do that. Then we will copy this and go over here. We will just replace this line with E and replace this line with E multi. Alright, so that should be it for these frames. And now we should just have to go into our open upgrade agility frame, local script, and dot parent dot upgrade. Here, let's just click on this frame, copy the name, and paste it right there. Alright guys, so that should hopefully be it for this video. So let's just check this all out by just closing everything here, make this frame visible to false, saving the game to ROBLOX, publishing it to ROBLOX if it's published already. You don't have to publish it now. I have mine set to private. And I will be doing it soon. Also guys, let me know what you think about the display names. I changed mine to a display name, and yeah. So right now if we go into our stats, you see we have 7 agility, now 10. If we jump, we also get it. And now if we buy a multiplier, we have now, alright, so that's the last thing we have to do. In our button, we forgot to change our button script. How could we do that? I don't know. So go into, wait, where is it? The stat upgrade frame and the open upgrade agility frame local script. No, we did that. What did we do wrong? Hold on, let me just test if the other multis still work, because we might have done something wrong with calling the event. So if we click that and punch, Alright, so yeah, we just did something wrong with the event. So what did we do wrong? Let's go into our add stat script. It takes into player, it takes into stat value, then operator. So what did we do wrong? The stat value and operator. The stat is this, and the value, okay, so it's because we put that value here. We shouldn't do that. So let's just go into every one of our scripts, and we will have to remove the dot value. It's always something with dot value. Usually forget it. This time we had it, and that was the problem. Or at least that should be the problem, because the other script is also calling dot value, so then it would be like dot value, dot value. So let's just go here, remove dot value, remove dot value, remove dot value, keep saving. Alright, and then let's go to our last one, confirm, dot value remove, close it, close, 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 save. And now that it's saved, let's click play. And now we have this. And now if we click this, we now have a multi, and it doesn't work. What about for our strength? It also doesn't work. Infinite yield, players, add stats. What do you mean? Okay, so I know what the problem is. Once again, I figured out what the problem was without anything. So go here, here. This shouldn't be player.multi. It should just be multi. Whoops. It should just be multi as a string itself here. So right here too. Save this. Please save quickly, hopefully. And then once we do this, once it will finish saving, we will go into our other frame buttons and the confirm and do the same thing. Just make this a string, get rid of the player dot. Here we'll copy this and we'll paste it here, and we'll paste it here. So then here, save. Hopefully it will stop taking forever to save. Alright, so now we just need 2 more frames to go. We need the P multi. Alright, so let's copy this, paste, paste. Alright, and then the last one, this will be E multi, E, and then E multi. Alright, so let's see if they will work now. It should work now, like for real this time, guys. So now if we walk around, we're getting our agility. We click here, we buy our multiplier goes up, and we're getting 2. Same for our psychic. For our endurance, yep, and for our strength. Alright, so everything is working perfectly, guys. So please remember to leave a like, subscribe, comment down below what you liked, what you didn't like, what you think I could have done better. Also, we will be fixing the training zones again soon. Also, we will be making pop-up GUI soon in the future. Also, please subscribe. It really helps out a ton. You guys really don't understand how much it helps out. So please subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.